As a purpose-driven business owner, have you noticed over the last few years how an ever-increasing amount of your customers are now searching for and buying products and services like yours online? Are you a little bit annoyed with social media, having spent hours diligently creating and posting content, but ultimately getting very little back in return in terms of inquiries or sales? Are you struggling to find a way of reaching the right kind of people, your ideal audience that will really get you what you do and how you do it? Are you not sure where to start, what to say or how to reach them? I get it. You're passionate about what you do and you're an expert at it. As a purpose-driven business owner too, I understand that what you do is not solely defined by the financials. It's also, importantly, about the impact you can have and the people you can potentially help. If only you could share your passion and knowledge with more people, maybe you could then connect with them, build a relationship based on how you can help them and inspire them to want to do business with you. That would be the ideal, right? Now, you may already know that online video is the way of reaching and connecting with new audiences or potential clients online. According to a report by Animoto, videos are consumers' favorite type of content to see from a brand on social media. And according to Optimisation, video marketers get 66% more qualified leads per year. That same report also revealed that video marketers achieve a 54% increase in brand awareness. A survey conducted by Wiseowl shows that nearly 8 out of 10 users have purchased a piece of software or app after having watched a brand video. Wiseowl's latest report revealed that the amount of online video people are watching has almost doubled since 2018. The trouble is, when it comes to understanding how to create a video as a business owner, there is so much information out there online. It's really hard to make any sense of it. It's really hard to put it into some kind of sensible order to make sure it would actually deliver any results for your specific business. It would also take days of your time to filter, collate and arrange all the free information out there. And that's simply time you don't have as someone who's got a business to run. Your competitors may already regularly be creating effective video, raising their profile, increasing their incoming levels of inquiries and sales. Meantime, you find yourself stuck in this state of confusion and frustration, knowing that you want to do something, but you're not quite sure what it is, or understanding that you ought to be creating video, but you're not quite sure where to start. You're aware that the likes of Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and all the rest are prioritizing video because it's super engaging and keeps people on their platforms for longer. At the same time, you're noticing that more and more video is appearing on search engines like Google. So you can see the direction of travel, that video is fast moving from being an optional nice to have to becoming an essential part of business marketing. You also understand that there'll be a time in the not too distant future when your business could well fall into the digital darkness, starting to disappear from search and socials if you don't commit to making the jump and to start creating your own business video to get yourself really seen online. And that's exactly what the Entrepreneur's Video Masterclass exists to do, to help purpose-driven business owners like you to get your businesses seen online, to equip you with the skills and support you need to create your own effective video content that will get your business new clients within 6 weeks or less. I'm Jeremy. I'm a TV cameraman, producer and video marketer with 20 plus years of experience in UK broadcast TV and an obsession with digital marketing and a really strong and guiding belief that as business owners and humans, we should do whatever we can to leave the world in a better place than we found it. I've also been a business owner for the past 18 years, and for a decade I ran a wedding photography side hustle that eventually turned into a 6-figure business. I'm on an absolute mission to take my experience, my knowledge, my insights to work with and empower purpose-driven business owners like you to create your own targeted and effective video content that will win you clients, transform your business and widen your impact. And that's exactly what I've designed the Entrepreneur's Video Masterclass to do. Over a period of 6 weeks, along with a small exclusive group of like-minded business owners, I'll personally take you through the stages you need to go through to start creating effective client attracting videos. With live online training and unlimited email support, I really am dedicated to your success. Throughout the Entrepreneurs Video Masterclass, because we limit the number of delegates in each group, you'll get the learning and support you and your business really need. During the course, we're going to help you build confidence in your messaging and video content so you know what to say, how to say it, and who to say it to. We're also going to boost your on-camera confidence with sessions looking at presenting skills, how to look your best with lighting and camera angles, as well as work on mindset, overcoming the fear of judgment which holds so many of us back when it comes to appearing in front of the camera. And when it comes to tech too, we're going to have you covered. We're going to ensure that you have a plan to create a setup that works for you and the resources that you've got. We'll also make sure that you're comfortable with how it all works so you can concentrate on delivering incredible content that will win you new customers. So if you'd like to create client attracting videos for your business in 6 weeks or less, take action right now to secure your place amongst our limited number of spaces. Pop your details in the form right now to book your Entrepreneurs Video Masterclass reservation call, and we can chat in person and map out in more detail how the course can help you. Remember though, the Entrepreneurs Video Masterclass is a live course with a really limited number of spaces. So if you want to enjoy the benefits of creating client attracting videos, make sure you complete the form right now and book your call before your place is taken. I really look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care and have a fantastic day.